So this condensed milk toffee is soft, chewy, and literally melt in your mouth. In today's video, I'll show you how you can achieve this goodness with just few ingredients. For this recipe, you need nutmeg, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and margarine or butter. Any of them will do. In a non-stick pan, melt 3 tablespoons of margarine. Once that is melted, go in with 2 cups of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, and half teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Stir everything together until well combined. So few things to note when making condensed milk toffee. Condensed milk easily bends, and so it's best to adjust your heat to medium-low, especially once the mixture begins to thicken. Also, the use of evaporated milk is optional, but if you want that soft and chewy texture, be sure to add it. And most importantly, you need a non-stick pan for this whole process if you don't want half of your toffee to be stuck to the saucepan. So this whole condensed milk making process requires a lot of stirring, but occasionally go in and scrape off any excess toffee stuck to the sides of the pan, because those ones would harden quickly, and the more they harden, the more it will be difficult to blend in the rest. So here you'd realize the condensed milk has thickened even more, and the color has changed to this light brown caramel. Keep on stirring so you don't end up with burnt or bitter toffee. So any point from now, your candy could be ready. So to test the actual texture of it, drop a small amount into cold water, and after a few seconds, it will harden up and give you a glimpse of the toffee once it's cooled. So once you are satisfied with the texture you have, remove the pan from the heat, grease a board with some oil, and transfer the mixture onto the surface. Smooth out the surface of the toffee and divide it into smaller portions. You need to be cautious here, as the toffee will still be hot, and so using a pastry cutter like I'm doing or a ladle would go a long way to prevent any accidents. Roll the portions into long sticks and do this as quick as possible to keep the toffee from hardening. Next, cut the toffees into your desired shapes. I'll be cutting mine into these diagonal classic shapes, which are simple yet very appealing. Store in a cool dry place or in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. And there you have it, your simple yet delicious treat ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are going to try this out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.